My good people of Edo State, my good people of Ratigan. Yesterday, I did a video of appreciation yesterday. I spent almost 1 hour and some minutes on live video. Only for me to end my live video. I can't see and say now 8 minutes. Night day. I do video of 1 hour plus. I can't see 8 minutes and few seconds. So I pause finish. I can't say I go watch my live video. I can't see 8 minutes for inside 1 hour plus. I've never seen that kind of thing before. My mom here networking with this. It's here networking. You said me. Network. What here is there? What here is there? Huh?
Network here.
Okay, my one line I was on Z Dutch. I use Zebo. You know that networking. My go live video. Mom, I tell you, my comment section we my go to network. A video of 1 hour playing. I'm only 8 minutes. While you wait, network. I tell me, hey, why we made network at here? So I don't know, because all the names I mentioned yesterday to appreciate people, I didn't see anyone. Okay, later, man. Now they waste a strength in me at all. It's telephone and network in any level. If you don't know, relax again. Why we see? Osanu doesn't answer. We see. Now what time? You would say now 10 times I do it before he walk. I go do one because we what we are doing in Berlin. We see kakabo. It show wow. And we are not so much for to work. We pray that next time it will be better by the grace of God because I will win it. We are going to know the mistake you made. We are with correction the next time. So that is what I see there. If you are again, we say kakabo say wa ume, you born wari me. When we are ladding, I dey show me. Some doesn't answer what I say. Ebony wakeri roller than we are the tickets. We are la wa. Some doesn't have one with benugwa 100-fold. Allah will da wa can me. You can make it away for me. Not doing where I call you over webo. Me not say how was. I want to make an call. Was we have view. But very my net man that way go eh. Hey you know. Brother Igore, sister Igore, oni san here me o. Oh where here me o. But the make it now. Me not do beg we to sanu does why you know my aguwa. Or see and one setting ye few boy jigo no ma. O sanu does it. O wari you no ma. Onari nuwa. Or see and one I setting ye jigo. Why if you boy why you go no ma? When you go log us and a horrible now, I can't no ma. Who can book a resist and the way? Only nay quality again, or if I may so only fee, I may will the real near so any. Then no way, no way go in the city if you boy body going. One magbe. Or you one magbe. Or you no man, so nobody in wa. Of your favor wa. Why you were sitting and see my year, and you were see my book. If one were don't want a word bow, a word bow. It will never why you wear or 10 or not the yebo one allow. Ni boon lie mammy. If one were don't want, why ya will make boy, why I will need more. Why if one error ye, why if one error. My easy. We're out again on a uwa, why he I kakabo. Mama ye ku ya mume mama ge mo go han mama be ge me work with him. Yes, mama be ge me work with him because we are in the society where women are not too recognized, but I thank God for modern life. Thank God for modern life because we are about the history of musician, as in the history of music in Edo State. Not about the history of music in those states. If you see all the old legends we have today, they are all men. All the old legends we have today, they are all men, no women. Every man play music, mama kere, ya ya hen, ikoero, abeg everyday we be yare do ewo ani agbe na ti ogbe zaziga abeg any ado lo ewa the money ya biele they were all men, no woman, no female. But in our time na yare na apart from omo obi ye no bi ye korean omo obi ye no bi ye korean. I think manibu won na manibu won the woman abeg ni omo obi ye dance band no ki ye korean ore was the only female in the midst of our old musicians. She was the only female. God bless her soul, because she's late now. But now we have so many women in the industry now. In the music industry, we have so many women. Because when a day I mean, no other Mr. Musician never did on up the guitar. Because when a day I be area now, yeah, it work with drum now. It work with different instruments now. Because music is not just uwadiae. You see, one you have to put more effort. You understand? And music is my easy. So now that we have women in the midst of musicians, now we have the gospel, we have the secular. I'm a secular musician. Yes, I'm a secular musician. I can say in the secular area of music in Edo State, the women in it are not many. Yes, from Ugo. Yamu Benedicta, yes, ma, from Ugo. She was from Ugo. Ni ye Korean mo we ye dance band then. They have gospel musicians, as in female gospel musicians. So many of them, so many. But when it comes to secular, we are very few. When it comes to secular, we are very few, because secular music is not easy. Secular music is not easy at all. The secular music obito is not easy. Now that we have women, and you don't observe me, ihu na tonwamu aide, ihu atonwamu aide, because agbona ihu ibusebo. When you have 100 men, you have 500 women. So and I am so happy that with what I've seen so far, equal need. Not that we are here, but women are giving their support with full force. They are giving their support with full force. So the effort you guys are putting to support the entertainment industry of Edo State to elevate us is encouraging. It's very encouraging, because they are here before. I asked her where I me oviahon musician do. I got me oviahon. They are here before. Any be your buyer or even in dates. Any be your buy, igbo. Any ya. When I get a money gift entertainment, if don't make talent be. If don't make talent be. They even if you will ya me supporting. You get a do ya me. Ena batana. Here don't make talent be. But thank God the now where we are waking up. We are waking up. And I'm very happy about it. A Rome was not built in a day. I know that we are going places. Now, the next show is Madrid. Madrid on the 19th. Or the next show, which we all know already, because my since where in Madrid or even saw it on the 19th. That is this weekend, this very weekend, no dinner, or in Madrid. Wala wo go yedo menuzomo. Emani bunke man who drive from a Kenya here to Erat again 7 hours. Abi?
Yeah.
7 hours.
From Bayern
And he not drive because I don't wear woman I will na Enogie. He go where he go make that sacrifice. I don't wear any man doma. Ye na rena. I say me ya can me. So if you do any leg in Madrid, wala wo. Itigwe, e love ye. Mo gbere to ya yin wa ladia. My day ticket. E ka we dan my day ticket gbe yen mi update ticket iro. Wa ye mi de. Wa ye mi de ve derio. Magbado ye gbe ya ku. Bona maizi when me be when we bona ha de se. Ke ke ave ze dia be ari mi. We have la dia be shake gbe ofo na be sawe. We mi ami eso. You understand? We get because I'm not going yo awa ye ti we gbe we iwo e fe du wuyi o wa no ki baba no re ne na ri ye gbe na pa bi owo mejo meti no enjoy igbo bi owo e wo ya bi agbe be gogo we gbe be gogo e ko bi ari ni everybody so wala wo imalaja me dero. Then the last but not the least show onarai Napoli. Ivie Napoli, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Napoli, Salobwa. Yes, here we carry la jare gon kan no kan cause ane Napoli ne before. Even no sunu. And I understand, I believe where why I'm involved. You have understanding, maybe the way I explain. We argue to understand. So I even low way we read, and I will do reason with ourselves. We where every photo marokba, my life photo marokba. We must certainly make a area. You know, he has what are we in method the whole Europe before. Me I have we be with my mind there is soon, but don't we know say when in Enogie, Enogie. I so much thank God where at the end of the day, he Napoli to make all my fans there happy because they are fans in the river, they are not really happy. They were not happy with Mary, and now that I am coming, they are very happy. So in Napoli, I am coming on the 24th of this month. On the 24th of this month. So the address, the place with the show in Napoli. You can see my one now. And the people presented the show. He said the brandest music in conjunction with Make Way Entertainment. The brandest music in conjunction with Make Way Entertainment presents All for the Culture. All for the Culture. On Friday, 24th of September, 2021, by 8 p.m. Now the show want to start. Now the show want to start by 8. So Esther, edokpayi live in Napoli, Italy. So the poster is on my page, and the poster is everywhere. In the street of Facebook. If you enter Facebook, you see the poster. It's edokpayi live in Napoli. And you will see the price for the tickets there. You will see the price for the tickets. And MC Ogbodu will be there. And the hype man, MC SKB will be there. So please, say the organizers, Mr. Brown of the Brandest Music, aka Eberore, his number is there. DJ Fizzy of Make Way Entertainment, the number is there. Then DJ Yemo of the Prince Entertainment, the number is there. The address said Puerto Ricano Club. Am I right?
Yeah.
Puerto Ricano Club via the Sena. Where is a lobo? So Porto Vilago, Coppola. Yes, alobwa. So it's there. So if you don't know some wala how wo. On the 24th, Napoli, live on direct. Sister Carol will be there. Wala owo. Wale fe. Sanu doesn't know. No bebe guwa. No you go guwa. Kuwa ke mo kodo kame. Igbirame gwi mayaro. Ina woni we do le mana omi maya fe. No your boy show na to make sure everything is going successfully. All these social media presenters, no way they present in right again. It was a tell you no there. My network if you so power. So yeah, the way we repeat my handsome daddy, my great daddy, Baba Eddie Murphy, that also the social media president, will say Baba for coming. You and your beautiful wife, our first lady, Mrs. Isokenda also, will say Kakabo for coming. Then my beautiful Mrs. Rita Ayemiomo, Rita Ayemie talk show. Boko niye no for an area yolo say kuwe ka wawe ero do one awese kakabo Sandra doesn't have bless you not only coming but you have been there promoting the show. Yes, awese kakabo. Then my beautiful namesake Esther talk show boko niye Esther talk show and her husband Mr. Jerry, thank you so much for coming. Sanu doesn't have bless you. We are not only coming, you guys are also there to promote the show. Wawese Kakabo, I love you guys. Then who else was there? Mama Unshakable, God bless you, ma. Thank you so much for coming. Enogie is priceless. Papa Triple N was also there. Yes, he was also there and he was promoting the show also. God bless you, my darling brother. And God bless you. There were so many presenters there. I don't want to forget. And my handsome daddy, Enogie, basically no kaome. He was there also. Baba Sunshine on Morokuwa. We say Baba, I so much appreciate your coming. God bless you. God bless you. We say Enogie. No, and I want you all to be expecting our collabo very soon. Yes, Lady of Stone featuring Dr. Sunshine. Expect that by the special grace of God. Expect that. Yeah. And then apropos the Godfather. Awese Kakabo. I so much appreciate you guys. Or yes, when we are promoting show now, you guys are wonderful. Because as the show is coming to an end, this is just a preamble of my appreciation because of my so when away. Why I got go and you respect yourself like a responsible somebody. So I'll see enough go here. Yeah, so one time no the men don't like the video. Now we are also one with go to the street here. Wa do rese no saudo ma o imagine if do ma why go with Diana why are behave like you are in abroad. So apropos the Godfather, I love you guys, may God bless you guys. What we say then umenmwan talk show, God bless you, you have been there to promote the show. Ambassador Dada Massis, yes, you promoted the show also. God bless you, my darling brother. I love you so much. The Mama Joy. Though I don't know the woman, he take a picture of anyone, but I've seen what you have been doing, Mama. May God bless you. The time of their needs. The time of needs, God will still answer them. Mama Joy, thank you so much. Thank you so much for promoting our show. And EUTT also, God bless you, ma. Thank you so much. This person I don't know her. I've been seeing her videos and all that. may near face to face. Thank you, ma. God bless you for promoting our show. Then Mama Gladys, Enogie, Wese Kakabo, you called me and you told me to send my account number that you want to drop something for we that came in this Esther talk show, Esther Award talk. So which I did. I sent my account number to you, and because you said I was not coming to Italy, but now, Mama, we are coming. We are coming to Italy. I appreciate you so much, Mommy Gladys. May God bless you. May God bless you, ma. Thank you for promoting the show also, and for also giving out. God bless you, ma. Iwakabo, appreciate you well. And to all my fans, let me not forget, Igwe, one of the universe, Magba River, Lolo, Queen Lolo, the golden fish, the wife of Igwe. Yes, beautiful Queen Lolo. Tokodombo say enough for an talk and do. Thank you so much, ma. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We all are one. There's no two ways about it. We all are one. No matter what, by the special grace of God, we all are one. My beautiful mama, I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for promoting my show. Thank you so much. One naira, one kobo, shishi no kanwase. Imari enuwarokpa. Ima ekwebe guwa ni bugwa mi fun. Ama egwa mi fun. But mo pa wa we na, wa we ni ma me ni we re. To show where we love ourselves. Forget about what we talk. We love ourselves. Kaye mo pa ya zere na ere ma na won de ma what me ma agbin na wo wa ni ma wulo. But you want you bo kan me Maria school. Oko wa de. Wana you bo kan me. Igbina ni ki ma gbon. Gada beat e ma na we okoko gbere school. But ma agbin na wo wa na. That's how it be. It doesn't mean we hate ourselves. I pray that this peace that has come will stay forever. Will stay forever. May God bless you all. If I didn't mention your name, please, and please, because in here before, mana sunu ye niwe. O mari ma wo ma me yo bonu we show na. Ware mia. Unwegeti mia. But if I so one day, I'm going to sit down and I will go through my Facebook, everything, to make sure I do it right. I always say. On the 24th, my Napoli, wala wo Italy, Napoli, wala wo, wala tia. The ticket, the number already posted. I call it so that we're making out the ticket. My degbueyi re tin salobua. Ke mama visiti we send manare na my soy. I love you all. God bless you all. Oba talk be. Say. That's one la jana ya lo. Ya fia. Ya ri yo. Ya fia. Aya wa wese o. E po e wa wese. Yes. You do don't lie wa. Obasuyi Yeah, we are working here. We are shooting a movie titled My Past. My Past is the title of the film. Watch out for this movie. Yes. My Past. That is better, My Past. So watch out for this great movie. It's going to be wonderful. Yes. And let me not forget, if yes, Zion anymore say, he wants you one for no the way that network in African. He said to me, wow. Miao. One way sunshine. He said in your new one. It's devil there. One foot track for my Zion. One foot track for now. So not too much. Hey.
Oh, my boo.
Yes.
Feel the location.
Easy for to support my beautiful mommy.
Yes.
This is Lady B in the building.
Oh, tell me my blood sister.
Yes, my mommy. My mommy.
A very good actress, oh. Very good actress. Yes, we're in the location now. We are working, as you can see. Enogie is priceless is here.
Yes.
And Enogie is a bit art well. Yes, I just discovered that. Enogie is a born artist. A talent of all our born He may get me arrested for wasting his talent. So we want to put more effort so that no make an trace. You will not stand with yourself. Yeah, you need to. Yes. You don't thank them for me.
Thank you very much.
Coming to my show.
Coming to my big family show. When? Ah, no, see, that I'm 24th of September, yeah?
In Napoli,
Did you guys support my big mom? Yes, so
19th, Madrid. This weekend, Waladia. We trust in yesterday, man. You need to work. Waladia, we want to let the lady of Sunday to get to Waladia. Maria Johnny, man, you need to see the life you know.
Unity my boy. Unity my sit down your home. Sit down. No, not be the phone, just on the stick, small. Okay. Small.
God bless you for supporting my big mommy.
My grandmother na dey here, so understand. Mona support my mommy, oh. Mona support her, maybe like say na Napoli, na go carry first. Na Napoli, na go carry first. No.
Because in Madrid, the hell, Baba.
If you're Napoli, what the man went first, if I make it bad, they can know. What the man went first.
In Madrid, while the man went first. Wala owo.
Waga picture jemi na mo jemi na gbiyan fi yeke wa wa try. Understand we don't want to do that. You know what it's are na eh.
Oh, jemi number 1 o. Jemi na ba to mare. What is play? Madrid. Wa ma wa gbo. Wa ye we mu re o.
Napoli, hey, one no one guy where he rode him the phone. How equal? I say,
my beautiful people here, do man. Waya wawesi. Mama meje madudu Baba K. Here is it wedding. La wo go Baba K. The mama me say ba we say anything no di agwa lo. Ba package the at least million fans back we are here white we so why allow we to show love, much love. Yeah, you believe we go Donny Abu first. Another place Napoli. You believe in Napoli, you believe in Uwadiae.
And when I mention everywhere pepper soup. And one shout for a collab also. Our for here one because if France will do any or say her, here we're not Buma your where here, Mammy will move. So one shout for it by the grace of God. By the grace of God. So my people, this is my song, Yobosa. I said it yesterday, but the man got like a video. He's a professional videographer, a professional one. They think in my own and your record there. So if you are doing any party, call on him. Just call me for his number. I will give you. Na marriage oh, na dedication oh, na any party, birthday oh. You want to cover it. He lives here in Again in Germany, and he can go to any part of the Germany. He can go to Italy, anywhere. Just call him. Give you a professional job. So that's that. His name is he have a YouTube
Skyward Entertainment.
Entertainment. Yes. Ebony nelewe go gbe. Iya ni re e Paris ye ni so na. Iya we ni adiowa. Ele be we na for it. So please my people, one love keep us together.
Yes, so
one love keep us together. If you want to act movie, you are looking for any group to join here in Germany, call me and I will direct you to him to come and join his movie group. Understand? If you are living in France, you need a group. I also have a group there that I called my own. You can still join. You understand? So God bless you all.
Yes, in the next DJ Stone Boy. Sabi mommy say abani ye more man understand. Wa kan we anything, wa wati me. Wa have a movie, wa kan edit say na say call me I go edit am for na nothing one dey do. Na DJ o, more than come record that day everywhere. And my mommy there here so much. I said to I want to do more than come in and maybe DJ Stone Boy. We love you.
We love you.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you. Mama,
thank you.
Mama, show face.
You don't show your face. What is the apple?
I don't show face.
Who does this?
I don't show face.
Mama, introduce yourself.
If you don't know why they make one simple, I tell you one simple. You want me to speak English?
No.
I'm not speaking English.
No, I will not speak English.
Okay,
I should speak English.
No.
If you don't know why they, I never tell what my dear. A sitting at the again, a Jenny, and our Jenna. A lady or song, a lady or song, all the Marina. You get to know why they, while I will go, or where home, while I got your budget, or vision by Yeke. Assam, and Adia Meba, the other time. Adia Meba, while I will go, while I support to Madrid, on the 19th, Madrid people, while go, Nitigua, now support Ogima. Now our own, may we support our own. Napoli on the 24th. On the 24th, Napoli. Italy, oh yeah. Italy, oh yeah. Napoli, oh yeah. I beg, my people, I beg, more than come, more than support our own. I beg, while I will go. While I will go, I don't have any Jimmy, while I will tell him I support the song. While I will go, while I will
Yes, somewhere. I am agbes. I don't know what I'm